Hi guys! So, today I would like to discuss about out-of-box thinking. Hold on. You might be wondering, right? Well, everyone keeps saying out-of-box thinking, think radical. But what is it? And when do we even feel that we have to think like that? Guys, today I would like to give an example of how it actually took forward with them. So why delay? Let's go ahead. Like any other country, even Japan also has a lot of shops. But you know what? They were facing space shortage because of watermelon. As you all know, watermelon actually grows in round shape, right? Because of the shape of the fruit, lots of shops were actually facing space shortages. Exactly. For example, if the demand was for 100 fruits, for 100 count, and the shops can actually accommodate only up to 50. Why? Because of the shape of the fruit. So what they felt was there was a need for change of the shape of the fruit. So they went ahead and approached few farmers if they can do something about the shape so that they can actually use more space rather than wastaging it in the shops. Then, like any other person, few of them stated, well, as you know, it actually grows in that shape, so we cannot do much about it. However, there were few farmers, there was an organization which felt, okay, we have a problem, let us think a solution for it. It's okay. So what if it is in round shape? Let us think if it can actually be grown in a different shape as well. The fruit remains same, but the shape of the fruit will differ. So what they have done is, they actually stapled the seed in a square box and they saw whether it can grow or not. And to their lucky, yes, it started growing. So they understood that watermelon can also be grown in square shape. Exactly. Have a look at it. And now, so you have seen, right, that square shape watermelon? Exactly, guys. That is one of the out-of-box thinking, and it was a real story. Do you know, because of the square shape watermelon, after they started delivering, not only the suppliers, even the customers started feeling happy. Why? Because it did not take much space even to store in a refrigerator. Exactly. They could actually keep it anywhere by not consuming much space. In this way, they came up with a radical thinking. Don't you agree with me that this is one such example for out-of-box thinking? Exactly, guys. What I feel is, if you take a step back, few years back, if we would have just observed, there were no such apps for us in order to travel just by a click on the phone. So now if we see, before 10 or 15 years probably, we didn't have anything like cab service, home pick or home drop. But now, just by a click, that is from our phone, we can get cabs, we can get dropped from one place to another. Don't you think this is through an idea? Exactly, guys. Not only this, there are many such apps which can actually help us to save time, save energy, however, get things done also. For example, earlier, if we forget a mobile charger, just an example, we had to go back again or we had to borrow from some person. But now, there is an app for that also. We can just order it on the app stating, okay, this is my from location, this is my to destination, please go ahead and get it. Yes, there would be charges and still our work is done. So in that way, there are many things which actually came into limelight. So guys, whenever you feel that, okay, if this is there, then probably my work would get done faster. Trust me guys, this is an idea. Do not neglect it. Just start thinking about it and start making a note. It's not necessary that everyone has to set up a company. Of course, there are many companies out over there where we can even give our ideas and they will actually get into practice. Yes, think about it guys. Probably this is what our elders were also stating. Think out of box and think radical. By doing this, we are not only giving ideas for others, or we are not only making our life easier, probably in this way, there are many other people who are thinking out of it. So if you get such idea, do not ignore. Also, it's not just about the company or about the idea only. Maybe in our day-to-day life also, there are many things which we may be struggling in order to rectify it. Probably, if we start thinking from that angle, then we can get a faster and a quicker solutions. You know, these things not only help us in order to get our things done faster, but they also give life to new ideas. So never ever stop thinking out of box. Now that you have seen this example, I'm pretty much sure you would start thinking out of box. Yes, any problem or anything which gives us any inconvenience can actually give us a great solution. So do not stop thinking out of box and be a radical thinker. Thank you.